Okay, it's Sunday. A whole new day, but it's a little bit chilly outside, so I'm wearing my sweater. The submission period is over. You know what? And Andrew put out a thing on the Boss Nation Facebook. I think if you haven't done your project now with your money that you got from the government, sell your project because it's never going to get done. Or maybe you just bought more projects. I don't know. But voting is now the next stage. A full week where you get to pick your favorites. We are going to narrow each category down to your top 25. So tell your friends, tell your family, hop on your Instagram and Facebook and all that crap. If you haven't submitted a ride and you love going to car shows anyway, make sure that you vote for your top 25. There is no specific to whatever is the best. It is whatever catches your eye and you think should be in front of the judges. Each one of those 25 submissions is going to be looked at personally by your favorite YouTuber. You will have to go to their channel to check out the video on them looking at your rides. When the top one from each category is chosen, Stefan and I will join the judges and we will pick our mega boss. So 1 week, you have until May 2nd. And then we will commence the next stage. Thanks again to everybody involved. Thank you very much for the merch. Thank you for supporting Doctors Without Borders. We've raised a lot of money towards Doctors Without Borders, and we want to thank you guys really from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you very, very much. More merch is still available. Again, thank you to all the frontline workers, and thank you guys for inspiring the channel, for watching the channel, for watching the other channels, to let us build cool stuff and do what we do and be able to do stuff like this. So we've actually been working on this website for the last 8 months, and Jeremy's been working super hard to make it as fluent and as efficient and as quick as possible. It's not gonna take a pile of your time, and it's great to flip through. Works on mobile, works on your laptop and on your PC. So happy browsing, have fun. And we've made a playlist of videos that you guys have submitted on your rides. If you go to your specific videos and put a link directly to your submission on our website so that they can vote for you. So definitely go and do that if you've made a video. Lots more videos coming up, stick around, and happy voting. Here we go.